Meaning of imperturbably.
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 Imperturbably. The term imperturbably is an adverb that refers to a state of being unshakable or calm, especially in the face of difficulty. It describes a person's ability to remain composed and peaceful despite external circumstances or stressors. When someone acts imperturbably, they demonstrate a sense of inner strength and resilience, which allows them to stay centered and focused on their goals. This quality is highly valued in many cultures, as it can help individuals navigate challenging situations with grace and wisdom. Overall, being imperturbable means possessing a steadfast and unwavering sense of self.